Golden State, as we know, is now fully reopened for the first time in 15 months. California was the first state to really shut down because of COVID-19. Today, the state lifted most of its restrictions, ending capacity limits, physical distancing requirements, and also mask requirements for people who are fully vaccinated. Joining us now to talk about it is County Supervisor Chairman Nathan Fletcher. Supervisor, thank you for joining us. Can you talk about what this day signifies for San Diego County?
Well, it feels good, Andrew. It's, for 500 plus days, we've been dealing with COVID every single day. And today really is that day that we move beyond it. The tiers are lifted. If you're fully vaccinated, the mask requirements are lifted. All sections of our economy are fully up and operational and open. And I think today is a day as a community, we really recognize the tremendous sacrifice, the hardship, the difficulty, but also the resilience. At times where we felt like we just couldn't get through it, we got through it. We've made it to this point, and now I think it's time to really appreciate aspects of our life that pre-COVID we might have taken for granted.
So what do people out there need to know? So I was going into a store today. I'm like, do I bring I guess I bring the mask. I have to ask them. They're still wearing masks. Like, there's certain places where you still will have that guidance. Can you talk a little bit about like what the situation plays out for as far as the local businesses and their choice to enforce or not enforce?
Well, if you're going to be catching a flight, although like maybe not Southwest, but at any other airline, you're going to need to wear a mask on mass transit. So buses, trains, trolleys. If you're going into a hospital, healthcare facility, you're still going to need to do it there. And then our kids K through 12, because under 12, we still don't have the vaccine available for them. But pretty much outside of those, if you're fully vaccinated, then you're not going to need to wear it. If you're unvaccinated, you're supposed to, but it's if you're not vaccinated by now, who knows how seriously you're taking COVID. But but places, people can still do what makes them comfortable. A lot of folks are going to say, you know what, I'm just not comfortable. I'm not ready. I got used to it. That's entirely okay. No one can tell you you can't wear a mask. If you want to wear it, you can. And individual businesses or employers can have their own rules, and they can set things that are more stringent for their own employees and their own customers. But in general, if you're fully vaccinated, we're moving beyond unless you choose to wear one, which is entirely your right.
Yeah, you bring up a good point there, because some people choose, or just have not gotten vaccinated. But the kids, anybody who's under 12 hasn't had the opportunity to. So should we feel like we're in the clear now, or do we have to kind of be a little more cautious as we move forward, regardless, and not just, it's not like we've talked about, it's not really a light switch where, okay, one day, June 15th, we're completely in the clear.
Yeah. Well, COVID is still here. I mean, June 15th was the date by which everyone who wanted a first dose and second dose would have had access to it, so that you had the opportunity to protect yourself. But COVID is still here. And Andrew, we're still going to be offering vaccines. We're still going to be offering testing. We're still going to be tracking and reporting the numbers and the hospitalization and the impact and all of that. And so, today's the day where the restrictions are lifted, and most folks, it won't really impact your day-to-day life anymore. And today does signify a kind of turning of the page. But COVID's still here, and we're still going to keep an eye on it and keep track it. But, if you want to go out, your bars are open, your restaurants are open, events are open. Padres are going to have a packed house on Thursday for opening day. No occupancy restrictions, no requirements for masks in those type settings for those that are fully vaccinated. So by and large, I think for most people, their lives will carry on without COVID being a significant part. But from a public health standpoint, we'll keep an eye on it.
Yeah, it sure feels like, something that's kind of turned into a manageable problem instead of this out of control thing, we just don't know what to do with. As far as the people behind our county, yourself included, you guys held your last regularly scheduled briefing on COVID-19. Can you reflect on what the last year and change has been like for you and the other county officials?
Well, it's been tough. I mean, look, this is, without question, Andrew, the greatest public health crisis our country has faced in the last 100 years. It also hit us at a point of maximum division and disinformation and lack of trust. And, we were daily faced with the choice between a bad option and a worse option. And every day we got up and I really tried to do everything I could to do what was right for San Diego County, recognizing that no matter what decision was made, folks were not going to be happy, and recognizing there was no decision that would be harmful somewhere. It was about how do we do the least harm and protect the integrity of our healthcare system. And what really strikes me, Andrew, over the course of the last 15, 16 months is not the division and the conflict. That gets a lot of the attention, but it is the sense of community. And time and again, we saw people stepping up to help each other. We saw grandkids making vaccine appointments for their grandparents. We saw neighbors checking on each other. We saw churches reaching out to the seniors in their community, healthcare workers taking care of all of us, businesses trying to figure out how to make it all work. And we really did come together as a community at times where it felt like maybe we couldn't go on any longer. We did. And we made it through it. And I think we should take a moment to appreciate it and reflect on that. And then really, my hope is as we move forward, let's enjoy our life. Let's do it responsibly. But so many things I think that folks took for granted that now we can really enjoy and move forward with a great appreciation for everything that we've endured and come through.
There's a lot of new normals that we kind of developed over the last year and a half, but we found a way, and with no real playbook on how exactly to do it. So Supervisor Fletcher, thank you very much for your joining us all the time to kind of talk us through everything, and for you and your colleagues and all the work you guys do. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Andrew.